Labor can start at any time. The last thing you want is to be scrambling for socks or a phone charger. Here's what to pack in your hospital bag so you're ready. A good time to start packing is around 36 weeks. That's early enough to be ready without feeling rushed. Start with the basics: your ID, your provider paperwork, your insurance card, baby's pediatrician information, and your birth plan. You're also going to want a phone charger with a long cord. Pack clothes that are comfy and easy to nurse in, like joggers, nursing bras or tanks, a robe or loose pajamas. Make sure to pack a going home outfit as well. Grippy socks or slippers are great for hospital floors, and slip-on shoes make heading home a lot easier. Bring a small pouch with your toothbrush, deodorant, and lip balm, and face wipes or whatever else makes you feel like yourself. Bring a few familiar things like your towel, headphones for music, or a calming scent, and it won't fit in your bag, but a calming pillow. And don't forget to pack your personal peri bottle and a blanket for baby. Anything to make recovery feel more grounded. The hospital usually provides diapers, swaddle, wipes, and a hat. Just pack a going home outfit for baby, and don't forget your infant car seat. If someone's staying with you, they'll need snacks, a charger, a change of clothes, and toiletries too. You can print a checklist and check items off as you go. Just one more way to make things feel a little bit more under control.